Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I made this delicious egusi soup. In fact, this egusi soup has Harvard certificate. I'm just joking. But everyone that had this soup came back for more. My name is Ottoh. Thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I share videos on cakes, food, business, and a little bit of lifestyle vlogs. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. These are the ingredients that we require for this amazing soup. We'll be needing water, dry fish, stockfish, meat broth. The recipe is in the description box below. Pumpkin leaves or pumpkin vegetables, egusi. I also use beef. Feel free to use any protein of your choice or any meat of your choice. You can also use goat's meat to also come out very nice. You also need Kpomo, red oil, onions, salt, seasoning cubes, fresh pepper, and crayfish. These are all the ingredients that we'll be using to cook this yummy egusi soup. So let's jump right in. First, you have to heat up your pot on fire. Pour in the palm oil. Allow to heat up for about a minute before adding your onions. Allow the onions to saute in the palm oil for about 30 seconds before adding the egusi. Fry the egusi for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of frying, it will look just this way. Add your meat broth and also pour in some water. Then stir it thoroughly. Add the fresh pepper, salt, and seasoning cubes and also stir. The meat broth already has some ingredients like the seasoning cubes and salt. Make sure you don't add too much salt and seasoning cubes. You can always adjust after you have added all the ingredients. Pour in your stockfish and dry fish. Also pour in the Kpomo. Give it a good stir and cover the pot. Allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, this is what it will look like. Next, add the beef or any meat of your choice. Allow to cook together with the soup for about a minute or two before adding your crayfish and vegetables. Turn and taste for salt or seasoning. Kindly subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, business, and lifestyle. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you try out this recipe, and also let me know if you enjoyed this video. After adding the vegetables, allow the soup to cook for about 2 minutes before turning off the fire, and your soup is ready. This is so yummy. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice.